Hi, let's make sure Python is installed. We are also installing pipenv, which manages our virtual environments. We have to set an environment variable in the .bashrc file to have those virtual environments locally in our project directories. And we shortly check if that is working by opening a new terminal. Here I download Eclipse for C, C++ development, but the normal Eclipse should be enough. We also download the PyDev plugin from the most beautiful website there is and therefore has to be censored. Then we unpack both files and move the PyDev directory into the Eclipse drop-ins directory. We continue to place the Eclipse directory in our home directory, to run it and to create a default workspace. Then we immediately change our perspective. We obviously move to the dark side. For everyone who misses a white space here and there and likes to have their code auto-formatted on save, we change a few things. We create a directory for our first project, open a terminal inside, and run pipenv shell to create a local virtual environment. While we are at it, we also install the Python requests package into our virtual environment. Now we have to tell Eclipse about our virtual environment, which might look odd because it is a workspace-wide setting. And we won't forget to add the packages directory of our virtual environment. Then we start to create our first project and make sure that the directory is the same we just created outside of Eclipse and that the virtual environment interpreter is the one we just configured. We create our first Python file with some high quality content. And run it, obviously. Notice that Eclipse uses its own console, so there might be a need to still run our project from the terminal outside, for example when working with the curses library. Since we installed the requests package, let's try the example code from its documentation. Here we test if we can run it outside of Eclipse. That's it. I hope you learned something. If must know,